Welcome to School of Advanced Chemistry. I'm Khadar Chuktai. I'm going to explain how to name an ester. Basically, the first thing is, what is an ester? Ester is a compound that is having O double bond C, O single bond C linkages. So any compound that is having this sequence of linkage, oxygen, double bond, carbon, again oxygen, single bond, carbon. This functional group is said to be an ester. How to give the name the different esters? Step number one is write its displayed formula. Write its displayed formula. If you're not having displayed formula, for example, I'm having CH3, CH2, CO2, CH3. So the first step is change any formula. This is the condensed formula. This is not full displayed formula. So first of all, we will have to change it into the displayed formula. For example, how to change it? Here is carbon that is having 3 hydrogens. Again, next carbon, 2 hydrogens, carbon, double bond oxygen. There is again oxygen, second oxygen with the same carbon, then bond, and at the end there is CH3 group. So basically, this is the full form of this given ester. Now the second step is imaginary cut this molecule into 2 parts. You should cut this molecule into 2 parts, imaginary, in such a way that you will cut it from C single bond O. So there are 2 C single bond O. Here is C single bond O, and the next one is this one. I'm going to highlight with the blue color, with green color, C single bond O. So we are supposed to cut this molecule into 2 portions, cutting from C single bond O. So which one is the correct option? The right option is this one, that is the yellow line. Cut the molecule in such a way that both oxygen must be on same side. So I will cut this molecule from this line. You can say the yellowish line. And now we have become 2 portions, or we have changed it into 2 portions. This portion that is having no oxygen, let's suppose this is the portion number 1, and the portion that is having both oxygen, let's suppose it's portion number 2, second portion. So the first portion is written first, then we will write the name of the second portion. Then this first portion is basically from alcohol, and the second portion comes from acid. So this portion that is having no oxygen, it basically belongs to alcohol. It came from alcohol. And the second portion that is having 3 carbons, it's basically came from carboxylic acid. So number 1, that is coming from alcohol, its name will be written as with YL. There is only 1 carbon, so I will write meth, 1 carbon in this group that is having only 1 carbon, and this group is said to be meth. And because it is acting as a branch in this case, and we will write methyl, we will add YL instead of ane. So the name of the first part is methyl. Name of the carbon chain first of all, then you will add YL, methyl. Then we will write the name of the second portion. How many carbons are there? Once again, 1, 2, 3. So count the carbon atom. 3 carbons are there. 3 carbons names start from prop. If the carbon is equal to 3, if the carbon is equal to 3 in your structure, you can say, then its name will start from prop. All carbon are single bond, we will write in. Then this second portion will be given to a special notation, OATE. As this O is the vowel word, so I'm removing this E. So its name will be propanoate. So this is the name of second portion and it was the name of first portion. So overall it is methyl propanoate, methyl propanoate. Similarly, just have a look on another example. For example, I'm having this one Ester, and it is having overall 2 carbons. Once again, I am supposed to cut this molecule into 2 halves. From C single bond O, I will cut from here because both oxygen must be on same side. This comes from alcohol and its ending name will be YL, and this comes from acid and its ending name will be with OATE. How many carbons are there? Only 1 carbon, so its name will be methyl. And again 1 carbon is over here, then its name will be again meth. And after removing E, we will add OATE. So its name is methyl methanoate. Methyl methanoate is the name of that compound. That's all about its nomenclature. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.